The word wizard. Navigating slang with dictionaries. Hey learners! Have you ever been puzzled by words like lit, on fleek, or salty? Wondered what they meant? Today, we dive into the world of slang and colloquialisms. By the end of this video, you'll have a grasp on how to use dictionaries specifically designed for these unique words and expressions. Slang is a type of language that consists of words and phrases that are informal. They are often used among particular groups of people or within certain contexts. But why should we care? Slang keeps our language alive and vibrant. It gives insight into a culture's values, beliefs, and trends. Most importantly, for English learners, understanding slang can help in real-world communications. You don't want to be left scratching your head when someone says, "That movie was lit." While traditional dictionaries might leave you in the dark, slang dictionaries come to the rescue. They are specifically designed for informal language. Each entry gives a definition, often a sample sentence, and sometimes even the origin of the slang. Great for learners who want to understand and sound more natural in everyday conversations. Using a slang dictionary isn't much different from a regular one. But here are some steps. 1. Look up the word as you would in a regular dictionary. 2. Read the definition and try to understand its context. 3. Check the sample sentence, if provided, to see it in action. 4. Practice using it in your conversations, but remember, slang is often context-specific. What works in one setting might not in another. While we're avoiding direct links, there are many options out there. Most large bookstores have a section dedicated to dictionaries where you can find some tailored to slang. Many libraries stock them, especially in larger cities. Also, online marketplaces like Amazon often have a wide selection of slang dictionaries tailored to various age groups, cultures, or specific time periods. Understanding slang is like having a secret key to cultural nuances. And with the right slang dictionary in hand, you're all set to unlock those mysteries. We hope this video has shed some light on the wonderful world of slang and its dictionaries. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.